Welcome to Treasure Beach, located on the south coast in the parish of St. Elizabeth. It's a community that still embodies traditional Jamaican living and supporting community.
What kind of fish them now?
Grunt.
Grunt? All of them are grunt?
Mm-hmm.
I want one of that too, you know.
So what type of fish? This one you want or the bigger one?
You have any cover for them?
Not for the small one, but not for the big
Bigger
one.
one or the big? Yeah, the bigger one. Yeah. How much do you want to?
So you want two
I want
big
three
ones?
big ones.
3 big ones? Oh, you mind.
I want a Scotch bonnet too.
You can hold it for me, please?
Yes, miss.
Holding strong to Jamaican roots and traditions at Saturday beef soup is a must. St. Elizabeth is known as the breadbasket of Jamaica for its plains and lush farming. Using locally produced herbs and vegetables, the soup is seasoned with thyme, scallion, onion, all coming from the parish of St. Elizabeth, and also some Maggi.
One there for me with the dumpling.
Yeah?
That one there definitely for me. Yes. Fried fish and beef soup.
One cup? Just 1 quick second.
Remember when I small one?
Oh, you want the small one too?
I'm one of the
Yeah, big one?
this one in the fried grunt.
Yeah.
Yeah man, see it hot there. Then fresh.
I scale them and fry them.
You scale them and fry them, sir? Yes, thank you. I'll take 2 there. How much for one?
$600 for one.
600?
Yeah, and 400 for one of the soup. I feel that.
Is what kind of fish?
Grunt.
So you say you want another
And
big
fry.
one?
And upon the escovitch sauce in there. A big soup with it? Huh? Yeah, but when I fry it, not so bad. Only when it's hard when thing there, when you steam them.
Get one of them, yeah. Put them back in the nation.
Right, I'm gonna for that bone, but when you steam them, they're nice, but fry, crispy.
How price one you again?
4 bills.
Yeah.
You want one of these? Your big bag? Your care come.
Okay, that's soup again.
Beef.
Beef soup.
Evacuate the premises. Someone Calling and long time here.
The fire on it.
Yeah.
The fire here on it.
Yeah.
Hearing, good girl. Wake up, yeah.
Thank you. One of the good things for me.
Yeah, one.
Yes, some. Skin and fry to them, you test on this. Yeah, man. It's all nice. Yes, I want a soup.
You want one? Okay.
You want one, Tiffany? Yeah,
Let me give it three different
that me just say it's a seaside more, no? Get some fish and seaside. Huh? Right? Well, yeah, not to that fish. I'm not sure, but you can't see what. Look, really.
And I live bucket over there. Hey, young man, you have favorite soup? That one. $18 for the fish and $16 for that.
So, what's the
How much is that for the fish?
18, 6 pairs of fish.
Yeah.
And then,
18.
thank you. Yeah.
1600
4 bills soap and 6 bills for fish.
Never forgot to for
And we have bread.
Bread and more and then pineapple.
pineapple.
I just feel for a pineapple. Pineapple. Go on, man.
Easy as that.
See,
Yeah, long time.
sweet you wanna.
Aye, stop out.
You got a dog in? You got a dog in, man?
So,
Yes, sir, we are.
On the road heading into Frenchman's Bay in Treasure Beach, on the left-hand side you'll find Nanny's bar in a small yellow plaza where the road splits.
yeah, how you man?
That is subject.
Thank you. We can get that scotch bun in there, please. We get that scotch in there for me soup. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you very much.
Alright.
Yeah, mama.
Right in a Treasure Beach. Little soup, little fish, roadside vibe. Oh yeah, go with the bunch. How much for that little pine in this?
I put them in this scale and weigh 200 per pound. That way about £1.5.
See? Them a sugar pie in them?
A sweet pie in them and a sugar loaf in.
Huh?
3 bills, $1.5.
Oh, none of the sweets up them, right? Hmm?
Oh, how much?
Do you have any more like that? Okay. Yeah, no, I'm see too. How much?
500.
500.
Four. Make it 100.
Oh, 700.
Alright,
Thank you. Thank you. Put it on video so nobody can see me. I buy nothing for my wife.
Wait, my sweet's up. Wait, let's do it again.
Why? Me not do it again. I give you. Well, me not do 2 taking. I 1 take. One for me thing now. This is not heavily edited. One. Oh, thank you. That's what you want to say? Nope. Everybody see how man it really is. Right now, this right. Man, things is right now. Yeah, man, this is fresh. That's a fresh fish. Escovitch, nice. And put sugar in the escovitch.
And put sugar in it.
I don't really love the sugar thing, but
It's just too sweet. Shut up.
damage. So
And dumpling them cute.
yeah, man, dumpling them neat and cute.
Yeah.
Cute dumpling.
Cute dumpling.
I don't want to look like Pac-Man. MR.BEAST beef soup. Top what, fam? If I put down the spoon, the soup, real nice beef soup. MR.BEAST, so you get a lot of noodles, or noogle as we call it, and nice dumpling. As Kimmy said, the dumplings are cute, roll very nice, have that firmness to it, but the flavor of the soup is just something you're looking for. And what's nicer than a Saturday beef soup here in Jamaica, here in St. Elizabeth, here in Treasure Beach. Cheers.